Hey guys! So very welcome to the LinkedIn vlog. I am getting lots of messages from you guys that where is the LinkedIn video? Where is the tips and tricks? So today is the day. I'm gonna share a lot of tips and tricks about LinkedIn, how you're gonna pop your profile up on LinkedIn and how you're gonna catch the attention from the recruiters. If you're watching this video, you're gonna be a pro. People are gonna actually view your profile and some recruiters might message you with job offers. Who knows? I helped many friends from my university to fix their LinkedIn and it helped them a lot. First of all, change your LinkedIn profile picture. Same way you dress for an interview, okay? Take a white wall like this and tell your relatives or friends or anyone who lives with you, just tell them that take a picture of me nicely. A very good professional picture and then post it as your profile picture on LinkedIn. Comes the next thing. Keep a very simple email. Next. So I'm just gonna move my face from the screen and I'm gonna show you directly here how to improve your LinkedIn. So I hope this video is gonna help you a lot. So please watch the video and trust me, it's not gonna be boring because this video is gonna be life-changing, I say you.
Okay, so see, I'm on this job page right now. So suppose I'm gonna search a job here related to marketing. So you're gonna see that lots of tabs just popped up. And now you have the option to filter it out so you can narrow down your search. So I'm gonna click on jobs now. And then I'm gonna filter the date posted. I'm gonna choose past week. And I'm gonna change the location to London area. And for experience level, I'm gonna choose internship. Company, I'm not gonna pick anything because I'm gonna keep my options open. Then I'm gonna select the job type, part-time and internship. So you can already see that there are 57 results. And I'm also gonna keep these options open. And if you wanna save your time, then you can choose easy apply. Then it's just very easy, just a one-tap application process. So see, now you have narrowed down your search and you can see these results and these are all related to your profile. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how easy it is. You just click easy apply and all your informations are already filled up here, so you don't have to do a hard work. So it's just one tap application process. And if you have LinkedIn Premium, then you can see that how many applicants already applied for this job. You can know about them, like if they have any master's degree or if they're entry-level applicants, senior level applicants or manager level applicants. So you can also know that where they applied the job from. So see, 69 applicants applied from the London area, 16 applicants were from United Kingdom's other areas. So yeah, a lot of information, so it will help you to decide that whether you should go for this application or not. Another trick is whenever you see a HR, you can connect to her, because if she accepts your request, you can just directly message her without even having LinkedIn Premium. So you don't need LinkedIn Premium. If you're already friends with the HR, you can just message her. And if you have LinkedIn Premium, then you don't need to be friends with her, but you can still directly send her email.
This section is very important in LinkedIn. This is called featured. So whenever someone comes to your profile, they check these things are always there, so they can just see. It's like a summary of your LinkedIn profile, so they can just see that what you have done so far. You can keep all your achievements here, okay? I've written this article on LinkedIn. Whenever I am just bored or I don't have anything to do, I write a short article so people know that I'm always doing something on LinkedIn. So see, I went to United Nations in 2016, so shared the newspaper feature here. And then I also talked about my Instagram here, so you know all the social media jobs are open for me because myself skilled in content marketing. And this is a competition which I won. It's Samsung Edge Grand Finale. So there was a newspaper feature as well, so I also shared this one. This is also a magazine feature in London where they featured me. Because my area is marketing, so I try to write articles on the things. And see, whenever I write article, I use hashtags. Suppose I could just write this line simply, that sharing some easy market research and hacks with you all today. But here in front of the market research and hacks, I put hashtag so that all the people who are interested in this topic, those kind of people can find this article easily. When you go to your home and then write article, and then you can just post a cover picture. Just it's like a Google Doc, so whatever you write, it will be here. So and then after writing, you can post public, you can share it with your friends, it will be in the home page so other people can see you as well. About section, when recruiters come to your profile, they read that you have to say about yourself, so make sure that it's very professional. You can check my LinkedIn profile and see that how have I done it, and then you can get some idea. Experience section, I have shared all the things that I've done so far in UK, because mostly I'm applying for the UK jobs, so I've only kept the UK work experience. I didn't include much Bangladesh experience here. So now currently I'm working in University of Greenwich, so I've updated it here. And this is an internship that I have done, and then I have worked in education consultancy in UK. Before that I have worked in Bangladesh, so I have shared those as well. This is where recruiters know that have you made yourself skilled or not. Having certificates, obviously it's very important if you have it. So see, I have done this virtual internship in Forage. It's a JP Morgan internship, and the recruiters can even check the credentials if it's a real one or not. So you know how you can have lots of certificates. So when you have the LinkedIn Premium, just apply. It's very useful. Then you can go to LinkedIn Learning. When you complete learning the courses, they give you this kind of certificate. So see, I have done this course, Advanced Product Marketing, Advanced Content Marketing, Marketing on Instagram, Advanced Consumer Behavior. So lots of like LinkedIn certificates like this, because they know that you are just not sick, you are also learning. So that's very impressive. And then you can also share some volunteer experiences. Don't worry about this, it's not necessary or compulsory. If you have it, it's good, but if you don't have it, it's okay. Just whatever you have, try to show it very smartly so that people know that you have a very good profile. I think recommendations are more important than these things, because anyone can give you endorsement. You can also give other people endorsement. Like whenever I have to check someone's LinkedIn profile, that if he or she is real or not, I go to the recommendation section and I check that what other people have to say about those people. Okay, it leaves a very good impression in front of the recruiter. And another thing is very important, whenever you're posting something here, tell your friends to comment, because when they comment, their networks will see this post also. So this is the advantage of having LinkedIn. It is all about networking. So try to manage your friends to comment on your like status or any kind of post, so other people can see. You can use this space professionally. It's gonna help you a lot in life. And this section is very important to skill assessment, so try to complete there are like little quizzes which you can complete. If you complete it, then your profile is gonna more to the recruiters. You can learn courses from the LinkedIn Learning, and then you can complete the skills assessments. Okay, so it's very important. And another resource that LinkedIn has is the interview preparation section. Trust me, these are the questions you will face in the interview a lot. Like at least 50% of questions come from you. See, when you go to interview, I'm sure that you have heard this question, that tell me about yourself, what is your strength, or why should we hire you, or tell me about a time when you showed leadership. They have these sample answers here. Very helpful. Trust me, come to LinkedIn and try to read these articles. This really helps. Try to engage with this kind of articles and share these articles on your post, so that when the recruiter comes to your profile, they know that you are very active on LinkedIn. You are sharing useful contents as well, so that also leaves a very good impression in front of the recruiters. These are all premium features where you're in the top 50%. Okay, they will show you those kind of jobs, so you can just directly go to the job and apply. So it's very easy. And also you'll know who viewed your profile, common interview question. And there are also very good things like learn something new here. You can learn all the courses. So I'm just going to show you LinkedIn Learning now. So I'm just going to LinkedIn Learning. So see, there are lots of courses. You want to know about consumer behavior, so you want to learn about this topic, so you just write it down. So you will see lots of courses, and you know what's the best part? It's very short. It's 1 hour 34 minutes, 41 minutes, and then see 1 hour and 5 minutes. If you just complete this course, and you're gonna get a certificate. So see this course.
Why do we buy what we buy?
So see, this thing is only 4 minutes and 29 seconds. So trust me, just learn it. Just spend 4 minutes. Just give your 4 minutes here. You go and then walk somewhere and eat something, and then come back again, and then finish the next 5 minutes here, and then 4 minutes. So if you just it's all divided. You can complete it later as well. So when you complete it, then you're gonna get a certificate directly. So see, I completed this course. So this is my LinkedIn learning certificate. This is how the certificate looks. Advanced consumer behavior. So they also have this time, but it doesn't matter because it's LinkedIn certified. The way these teachers teach, they're very good. You will understand all the topics that you want to know. So it's very helpful. Oh, there is another thing. So you can search this kind of groups here. I'm just gonna write part-time jobs, London. And I'm gonna see that if there is any groups. So I'm just gonna filter it to groups. So see, you will see a lot of groups here, so you can just join if you find any kind of related groups. Other important trick is you can search hiring manager, and then see if you just tap on people, see all the hiring managers popping up here, so you can connect. And another thing, follow hashtag London, so you can do hashtag search as well. So see, if you just tap on hashtag London, so you will see that all the London related articles will come here, and you don't know that you might find lots of jobs as well. Okay, so everything is useful on LinkedIn, so you just need to know how to utilize it. So this is my LinkedIn. You guys can follow me also and message me that if you found my video helpful. You can share this video on your LinkedIn as well, so other people who are struggling to find job, they might find it very useful, and they might end up having jobs. We don't know, right? So yeah. Thank you for watching the video. It's me, you're gonna get it. It's just about the time. Just have to keep trying, okay? Thank you so much for watching my video. My next video is gonna be about accommodation. See you soon. Bye.